I was wondering if it was on the... Well, you know, we always went to Louise, but for some reason last night we didn't. Yeah, I told Michael that he was turn on the tank like Louise and not turn on it too. You don't know if they caught him. We like to play.
Damp.
Damp?
Mine just hold right there. Somebody told me to bring my machete.
Where's my locker? Squishy.
All the things, huh?
I think he picked the bushwhackiest place he could find.
My legs aren't long enough. Can I? Is it that deep?
Whoa! Boot full of water. Boy, that's cool.
Okay, big step here, folks.
Yeah.
I'm gonna look coastally in front of me.
Trouble is with waterproof boots, and the water stays in the boot.
Oh yeah, if it goes up over.
Water cooled.
There goes my shoes. They're all
Might work a little bit.
clean anymore.
Wow, what's that?
Yeah, I lost my shoes. Hold on, they're coming
Yeah.
off.
What are you doing? From here?
What is it?
No, I got it. It's
Oh, sundews.
The mud is sucking it, isn't it?
yeah.
Well, we're out of it. You may have whacked our last bush.
Ooh, a parrot. Or what do you call those?
A parrot? Oh, that's Venus flytrap.
Ah! Boot stuck. Oh, pictures.
No, those are the picture plants.
Whoops.
Oh, Matt's looking at the forest. Smell it? Like that would have to stop.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. What do you say they're going to get?
Turn around.
Someone walked through here recently because one of those up there.
So this group is going on ahead, and then this group is looking at something special. So I learned from Leave No Trace that you should fan out when you're in a pristine area. But this looks like pretty much a trail, actually. So, when there's a trail, stay on the trail. If there's no trail, don't make one.